Good day, everyone. A bit of some history today. How did the square root symbol that we use today evolve in the history of mathematics? Before the introduction of any symbol, they used to refer to the square root of 25, for example, as just the square root of 25 in words. And then later on, they introduced the word radix. So they would say radix 25. Referring to the square root of 25. Radix is a Latin word that means root. In 1525, there was a German mathematician called Rudolf who suggested that instead of using the word radix, why don't we just write R25 for square root of 25? And that was adopted. But as time went on, they realized that they would have issues, for example, in algebra, if they wanted to find the square root of 25a squared. It wouldn't be very clear as to which parts of the radicand are covered by the root sign. Is it just 2? Is it 25? Is it 25a squared? That, of course, some mathematicians argue to say, no, let's continue to use this, but let's put the radicand under brackets so that it indicates which parts are covered by that. But in 1637, there came another argument from a French mathematician called René Disquet. Disquet, the one who is famous for the development of the Cartesian plane, the XY plane. It is Disquet that invented that, but he was also involved in this development of the root sign. He decided that, okay, let's maintain our R for radical or root or radix, but let's put a vinculum. This one is called a vinculum. A bar extended to the R sign is called a vinculum. So it was René Disquet who decided that we must extend that so that we can have something like 25a squared covered under the square root. So up to today, this is what we are using, but it went through a lot of evolution for us to be passed on to us the way it is now. And up to now, we continue to use this, but also there are some mathematicians who have argued to say, why don't we write the R, the vinculum, and 25a squared, and we log the square root sign. Anything that comes after that is not covered by that. And we find this one is more appropriate than this, and this is more appropriate than that. So either this and that are the current symbols for the square root sign or the radical sign.